Just bought a barbecue and want something easy and quick to cook? Then this is a video for you. But don't forget, if you're using the video today, there are links in the description below for the best place to get those barbecue products. Make sure you check those out at the end of this video. Hi grillers, welcome back to the channel, and those new to the channel, welcome to my YouTube channel. Now for those of you who've just recently bought a barbecue, you've got to get used to cooking with the lid down. I thought I'd do some simple recipes for those people that are just invested in the Q. So today we're going to be cooking some lamb burgers, so let's jump into it. Well, so today we're going to be grilling up 4 lamb burgers. Now, what I like about lamb is it's got quite a little bit of high fat content, which is going to give you that little bit of flare up when compressing them on the grill, which is going to give you that flame grilled flavour. So let's get this barbecue lit and then get these burgers on the grill. Don't forget, if you're using the video today, there are links in the description below for the best place to get those barbecue products. Make sure you check those out at the end of this video. Right, so enjoy that quick tutorial, and as you see, those burgers turned out superb. There wasn't nothing special about them. You can make your own pates if you want. I will put a link to a video that I've done on that at the end of this one. These were just lamb pates from Coles. Really simple to cook, as you can see, and especially if you've got kids, burgers and sausages are their favourite things. Now, the one thing you've got to get used to cooking when you're using your barbecue is cooking with the lid down, and a lot of recipes work off time. So if you've got a little timer, whether you use your phone, it's well worth timing everything, and you'll get that perfect barbecue flavour every time. Now, we do cook a lot of burgers in this family, and they are a family hit, especially when cooked on the barbecue. Now, for those of you looking for the best rotisserie duck, check out this video next, and for those of you looking to cook that perfect pork crackle, check out this video next. So thanks for watching, happy grilling, and I'll catch you in the next one.